Hi, to check RAM on your Samsung Galaxy A16, firstly we need to open settings on the phone and here find device care tab. After you found it, you will need to tap on memory section and now it would be checking your memory, and after that you should see this bar and amount of available storage space, amount of used gigabytes and total gigabytes. And if we scroll down, we would see RAM Plus. So this feature uses your phone's storage space to provide virtual memory. Here you can switch from 4 gigabytes to 2 gigabytes. So to keep more storage space free, but in that case you will need to restart your phone. So if you wanna clean up some space, you can use this blue button Clean Now and it will free up memory by stopping background apps. So let's tap it, wait a couple of seconds till it would be cleaning cache from all of these apps. And now we just free up some space. Now I got 1 gigabyte available. So let me just go back, and the next thing we can do is we can clean cache in any app manually. For that, choose Apps tab, select an app in which you want to clear cache, for example, camera, and after that you should see this tab Storage. So simply select it, and here you would see amount of cache, and you can clear it if you just tap that option, and it will also free up some space and reduce the load on RAM. You can repeat this process for several apps that you use frequently. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.